Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot and I'm going to open up the project I have just created. For example, I'm going to remove this watermark from this video. If we want to remove something from our video guys, we can use mask trick. We're going to use mask to cover the watermark. So I'm going to duplicate this video first, select the video and then select duplicate. Okay, and then we're going to make it as an overlay. I'm going to click on the switch. Okay, make sure that the first video is aligned with the second video. And we're going to add mask to the layer. So you can select the layer, select mask, and you can choose the shape of the mask. I'm going to choose this rectangle mask, and you can adjust the size, and you can take another part of your video to cover the watermark. Okay, I'm going to take this part and click on the check mark, and you can drag the mask to cover the watermark. Okay, and it doesn't look natural, right? To make it look more natural, you can use the mask feather, go back to the mask, and you're going to click on this icon to adjust the feather. And let's see, it looks better, right? Well, let me adjust it again. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to apply filter or adjustment. Go to the filter and I'm going to adjust it a little bit for the lightness. Okay, done. And okay, now the watermark has been completely removed from this video. Okay, and yeah, you can export it guys. And I know that this trick can't be applied to all types of video, especially when it has complicated object. Okay, and that's how you can remove watermark from your video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.